Hey guys, welcome to the next one of Solder to Solder. Before I get into this video, I just want to thank Plumber and Unilite International for allowing me to test these products that I'm about to showcase you now. So before I go on, you've probably seen most of my Instagram videos and pictures and social media and stuff that I've invested quite heavily into this product, and for good reason. They are, without a shadow of a doubt, the best work lights, and even this tool bag that I'm using as well, the Velocity Row collaboration with Unilite. It's just every day. I don't think there's a day that goes by that I don't use a Unilite product, whether it's my bag or one of the lights. Different ones for different reasons, but I have got these two products here now. So first one is this one, the ILR 75 1750R, sorry. Comes in a neat little pouch, neat little box. You get the USB charger cable with it, and the light is there. Now this is designed to live in your pocket, so you've got one in your pocket as well, so you keep ones in your bag and in your van. But this one, so handy for in your pocket. Little pen clip there. You can flip it out, 180 flips. There's also torches, long band LED strip there, a shorter one on the inside, and then you've got your torch on the end as well. And it is magnetic, so you can, I've got no magnetic surfaces here, but you get the gist. It magnets from the side there, and you can rotate it round like that. So can't really see the full effect in here, but the torch there, press the button again, long LED, press it again, keep your finger on it, and the one on the inside if you're working on the opposite side. So magnetic, if you're angling down, that one will come on, flip it round, up. There's just so many different angles, and with it being small as well, particularly useful for inside boilers, getting around the back. You know, you can face it in, get around the back and light up from the back, or you can angle it in and light up from the front. You need to kept nice in your pocket. Brilliant. That is the IL, well, you'll be reversed on this one, but it is the IL 175R inspection light. Next one is the 1000 lumens. So I've been using this one for quite a while now. It's the SLR 500. Brilliant magnetic base. You can angle it to any angle there. You can angle it to 90 degrees. Different brightnesses. So you can turn it down slightly to save your battery more if you needed, and also torch on the end as well. This is the big brother of this one. So, and that one's bright enough, believe me. This one, look at the size difference. It's about 2/3 the size the 500 is of this one. The light on this is just incredible. I turned it on before and it was proper blinding. And just look at that. Flip you over to the over there now, and this is already a light room, so you can see the difference there straight away. Again, comes in a nice little box. Unilite sticker instructions and charger cable. I always keep these charge cables because they're so handy. I can plug them into my cigarette lighter in my car. When one's dead, I always keep my backups as well. So they're all charged at the moment. So they're good to go there. Yeah, wicked satellites. I can't endorse that product enough. You don't even have to be a plumbing heating engineer. There's an application for all trades, I think, with this. I think this is a beast of a light, 4,500 lumens. So if you bear in mind that that is 1,000 lumens, this one's like the sun, and it's also got Bluetooth speakers on it. This one, cute little inspection light, is basically the last generation of this new one. And then you've got this one as well, 625 lumens. Again, loads bright enough, magnetic on the bottom and on the side there. LED visuals there to show how much charge you've got, and this has even got a, let me get to it, a little UV light as well for checking UV levels. As you can see there, charge level. Good quality gear, I think. As well, not just plumbing, heating engineers, like I said before. If you're in the vehicle trade, so mechanic, if you're a locksmith, I've got a mate that asked me one day what kind of light that was, and I told him, and he uses it, and he said it's brilliant. It was one of those ones. Plasterer, paint and decorator, especially for your UV lights on this little bad boy. There's just all sorts. You can even buy stands. Just check them out, guys.